Hello students, good morning. Today we shall learn about use of A or N. But before that, I would like to remind your previous lesson, that is the English alphabet. So, how many letters are there in English alphabet? Yes, as you know, our English alphabet consists of 26 letters in all. And out of these, A, E, I, O, U, 5 letters are called as vowels, and the rest of 21 letters are called as consonants. Now, we shall go through the chapter. So children, both A or N are used to point out a noun. It may a place, a person or a thing. Though their aims are to point out a noun, they have been used in two different ways. So, you have to know about their use. So, the first one is use of A. It is used before a consonant sound. For example, he is a teacher. Hari has a storybook. In the first sentence, teacher is a noun which begins with a consonant letter as well as a consonant sound, T. So before the word teacher, we use A. Same as in second sentence, the word storybook also begins with both consonant letter and consonant sound. Like that, we can take some other examples. A swan, a child, a pen. Then the next one is use of N. It is used before a vowel sound. For example, he is an actor. Geeta has an umbrella. Here also both the word actor and umbrella start with a vowel letter as well as vowel sound, so that here we should use N before them. Let's take some other examples. An eagle, an Indian woman, an intelligent girl. Here we are going to discuss a very important thing, children, that some words begin with a consonant letter but they sound like a vowel sound. Let's take some examples. An honest man, an MLA, an MP. The word honest man begins with a consonant letter H but sound like A, which is a vowel sound, so that here we use An before honest man. Similarly, some words begin with a vowel letter but they sound like a consonant sound. Example: a university, a European. Both the words begin with a vowel letter U and E, but they sound like Y-O-U, which is not a vowel sound, so that here we use A before them. Now you have to know the key points for using A or N, which is very important, children. Okay, so first one, A or N both are used before a singular and countable noun. For example, a tiger is an animal, a peacock is a bird. Both tiger and animal are related to singular and countable noun. That's why we use A or N before them. Next point, we can't use A or N before a plural and uncountable noun. Example, a cow has horns. Here cow is a singular and countable noun, so that here we use a before it. A cow. But horns, look at the word properly, children. It is a plural noun. That's why we can't use a or an before it. Understood? That's nice. Now let's test your knowledge, children. Find out which one is correct. This ring is made of a gold. This ring is made of gold. Which one is correct? Yes. Second one is correct. Because gold is uncountable noun, and as your key points, we can't use a or an before an uncountable noun. Okay, children? Now fill in the blanks with a or an and put a wrong mark where a or an is not required. Okay? Days table is made of days wood. Yes. What do you want to put here? A, an, or a wrong mark or into? Yes. First one, table is the noun and we can use a or an before it. A table. Okay. A table is made of days wood. Listen, children, here we can't use a or an because wood is uncountable noun. So that here we just put a wrong mark. Okay. Or into mark. Next question. Dash fly is dash insect. Fly and insect both are singular and countable noun. So a fly is an insect. The next one. Dash buffalo has dash horns. Here buffalo. Here we can use a or an before buffalo because buffalo is countable and singular noun. So a buffalo has dash horns, but here we can't use a or an because horns is the plural noun. So you just put here the into mark. Okay, a buffalo has horns only. Then the next, rewrite the following in the plural. This one is also very important. Rewrite the following in the plural. First question. A dog is an animal. Make it plural, children. A dog is an animal. Listen, children, here is a trick. At first you have to take out a or an from the sentence because a or an, it means a single one. At first you have to take out the single one, a or an. Then what is the plural of dog? Dogs. What is the plural of is? Are. What is the plural of animal? Animals. Now very simple. Dogs are animals. This is the correct answer. Okay. Dogs are animals. The next. An eye has a lead. Now make it plural. At first take out a or an from the sentence. So here we have only three words. Eye, has and lead. Now make it plural. Eye becomes eyes, has becomes have, and lead becomes leads. Eyes have leads. Okay. Then next one. A rose is red. Now we just take out only a, nothing else. Okay. Now we have three words. Rose is red. Make it plural. Roses are red. Don't write as after red. Don't use as or don't add as with red because red is an uncountable noun. So here we can't make it plural. Okay. So roses are red. Okay. Then the last question, children. An orange is good to eat. Take out an only. Orange becomes oranges. Is, are, good to eat. Don't use again as or don't add as with eat. Okay. So oranges are good to eat. That's all, children. So remember one thing. It is the sound, not the spelling, which is important. So sound is most important in this chapter. Okay. So be attentive about it and keep learning. Thank you.